Every day isn't shining like today. Beauty rising, I can say. I have seen mountain highs and some valleys. Yeah, I've shouldered some baggage, felt the weight of some burdens, carried shame, cried in pain, took the lies and put them on me. I will leave it at the altar, God. I leave it at the altar, God. I leave it at the altar, God. Oh, I will give you everything I've got. Oh, I surrender all and leave it at the altar, God. Oh.
Hey my sweet friends, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share another Easter video with you all. Today I'm taking two parts of my entryway and giving it an Easter makeover in the French country style. I hope you enjoy.
I've seen and I've held on so tight, turned out they were holding on me.
So guys, I have two parts to a very long entryway, and this is what this part of the entryway is currently looking like. I have this pretty much all year round, guys, with this beautiful French provincial mirror that I got last year from 1825 Interiors. But what I want to do today is just do some really simple touches in this area, keeping a few things and adding some Easter touches in the French country style. So I started off by removing a few items, guys, and what I've left are items that I want to keep. Like, for example, this beautiful runner that I picked up from Temu last year. And I always keep this beautiful baby blue ginger jar, guys. I painted that ginger jar and I added a little white bow, and I have that ginger jar out most of the year. I also keep out this lamp, this beautiful lamp I have out all year round. Not only does it look beautiful, but it absolutely lights up the area of my home. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some blue touches, guys. So I'm taking this vase and some fake hydrangeas, as well as this adorable little bunny, and I'm going to add that to the table. Now, when styling my vignettes, I love to go in with visual height. So I actually have two of these baby blue vases, a tall one as well as the medium one, as well as this adorable bunny. I love that he is just very simple and has that rustic French country feel about him. Decorating with the French country style, I love to bring in the rustic elements in my home, like these beautiful corbels I got last year at 1825 Interiors. I use them as bookends, guys, and I just think they're stunning. Now here I was playing around with Bunny. You'll see in the final clips, guys, that I actually switched him around and faced him in the opposite direction. But I just love how this little area of my home came.
I give you everything I've got. Oh, I surrender all and leave it at the altar, God. Oh.
Now guys, underneath my table, I'm going to use these stunning pots in the baby blue. I love that they go so perfectly with my fake roses, and I'm just going to fill them up and place one on either side of the ginger jar.
but haven't made yet. Why do pathways feel so threatening? What ifs are never ending?
One of my favourite pastimes is decorating my home with fake florals. I love having them in my home, guys, and I think they look so pretty.
I fear, but still cannot see. Wait up, tomorrow should be easier. What if I leap and it's not what I fear?
And here is the first part of my entryway makeover. I really love how this came, guys, because I added such simple touches. I'm in love with this mirror. It is so French country, and I knew that I wanted to add some delicate touches, keeping it very simple. I love the fact that I can incorporate the soft colours of baby blue in this space, and just by adding those small touches, I was able to create the look I was aiming for. Country style is such a pretty style, guys. I love how it has that glamorous old world feel about it with rustic touches. Now in my large vase, I added these beautiful stems. They're very whimsical and they just sit so perfectly, and they actually have tiny little Easter eggs on them, guys. I picked these up from Kmart a few years ago and they're one of my favourite stems, and I feel like you can have these out all year round.
I'm always trying my best. 내게 원하던 대로. Just won't leave me alone. 이제 나를 알아보겠어. No one can truly see inside. 너 말해 I understand you. 살며시 숨을 보내도 지나온 날이 무색하게. Someday I see the light. 잠시 눈을 감고 기다리며 And then everything will be alright.
Now guys, French country, I believe, is a beautiful style that can be in anyone's home. Leave me a comment down below if you have incorporated French country into your home. Do you have a home that is full of French country? Do you have a certain area that you've decorated French country? Leave me a comment down below and let me know how you styled it, what room you chose, and if you have it in your whole house. So now guys, I'm going to take you into the second part of my entryway, and this is where I'm going to bring in some baby pinks. I love the soft tones of baby blues and baby pinks in my home, and I love incorporating both colours into the French country style. So this is how my entryway is currently looking. It has very neutral tones, guys. It has some delicate baby blue touches on the lampshades. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all these items and start to incorporate some baby blues and baby pinks into this French country entryway.
Someday I see the light. 잠시 눈을 감고 기다리면 And then every
start first of all by adding these stunning blush pink cushions. Now guys, I got these a few years ago from TK Maxx, and I also have the matching throw, but I knew they'd go perfectly on this little bench that I have. I'm also going to add the most adorable little bunny cushion that I shared in my previous video, and I love this bunny cushion so much. They are cushion covers from Temu, guys, and they're so soft and cozy, and I love that they came in the baby blue.
With every beat we feel the night could be surreal. Could be surreal. When the beat drops down low, let it pull you in real close. Are you down for it? Tell me, are you down for it, boy? And when the lights get low, let the shadows steal the show. Are you down for it? Tell me, are you down for it, boy? I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. No holding back, it's real, babe.
Now once I added the cushions, I then added this gorgeous baby blue Easter egg wreath.
The rhythm pulling me deeper. You know I'm caught in gravity, falling. I can't believe this night just belongs to me.
Now on the very top shelf, I wanted to add some French country elements to the space, and I started off first of all with this absolutely stunning bird, guys. It is so rustic. I love him so much. He was from 1825 Interiors a few years ago, and I knew he would go perfect. Along with these beautiful risers, I got them from Eureka Street Furniture a few years ago, and I'm going to add these wire cloches to the top. I truly love these rustic risers, guys, and I love adding the wire cloches to the top. Now they don't actually fit, but I came up with a way to give the illusion that they're all part of one by using these pipberry wreaths. I'm just going to place them underneath. I'm also then going to add a little bunny inside so it looks like it's all part of the display.
Probably use some heartbreak to get moving. Tired of the way you let me down.
Now, I was so happy with how this was looking, guys, but I ended up slightly disappointed. I didn't bear in mind that I only have 8-foot ceilings, and when I went to put this up on the shelf, they would not fit. So you will see that I had to do a little bit of rearranging and make some changes. But I'm really happy with how this part of the entryway came.
I don't have to stay with you. You fill me up with broken promises, 'cause you never keep them. I'm so sick of the way you let me down.
Guys, leave me a comment down below which was your favourite part of my entryway makeovers for Easter. Now guys, I'd really appreciate a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Share the video as many times as you can, and I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelles Glam Home family.
Run me down like you don't care. This is all my time.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed my Easter French country makeover in my 2 entryways. I'll be back next week for more decorating inspiration here at Chelles Glam Home.